Good afternoon, guys. We're here at the Cagsawa Ruins. Look. Diba? Damo yan na tao, didi. Ay, nanuman. Kaya di mano. My daughter and my granddaughter. Na mag-arte. This is my mother. And this is my eldest sister. Eldest. Youngest. This is my ate. My beautiful ate. Hala, bayaan ka. Masyada kami didi. Nagtatago ang bulkan. Ang tok-tok ng bulkan. Nagtatago. May clouds siya sa bawbaw.
Hello guys.
This is my nephew Gian. The handsome Gian.